Oh boy. Got a honker back there.
This ain't no gas line. This ain't no gas line. Look at this one, the picnic ball. Enjoy your wait. Yeah, enjoy your wait.
Bye.
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 Bye. All the way back.
Bye. Whoa. You just cut them off.
You got plates on this one?
Yeah, I got him on the back. Yep. This maniac. Everyone look at this maniac.
Are there front plate laws in Washington?
No, but I already got the rear.
Sorry, there's a road rage incident going on here. I know.
So when do we go?
Should we go? Yeah. Okay.
This area is very narrow, so I think the infrastructure will help us.
Okay.
I am going to circle around back and make sure I have this person's plate.
Thank you. Thank you, plates. All right, back.
Oregon, OC4367. Yeah, he is. Sorry to hold you up, but we can't help what this asshole did.
We're all having a good time.
Yeah, he drove the whole wrong way down the road and is trying to run us over, so we're gonna make him wait.
Not cool.
Yeah, thank you, brother. Yep. Well, that Audi. Just watch them.
What?
Just wanted to see how happy this car was.
How about anti-happy? The car behind that Audi was like, what the fuck is up with this dude? They were like, fuck this asshole. They almost ran into that car. Well, they almost ran into like two cars on your left.
Where's the rest of the group? Slow rolling, 5 miles an hour. Where'd our buddies go? Light on.
I bet they're gonna jump to the left as soon as this opens up.
Which is why I'm going to well. What's our plan? Should we stay right? Oh, it's the same car. Yeah, it's the same car. Oh, that's really safe. Good job! You made it!
You made it to the red light! Very good! Great driving, idiot!